Introducing small cases on Trustline Securities. Small cases are modern investment products that help you build a diversified, low cost, and long term portfolio. A small case is a portfolio of stocks or ETFs that reflect a particular idea, theme, or a strategy. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with investing in small cases on your Trustline Securities account. On the Trustline website, in the Services menu section, select Wealth Management. On the Wealth Management page, you will see the Small Cases section. Click on Explore More and log in using your Trustline Securities account ID and password. Alternately, you can also log in using Small Cases from the Login drop-down menu option. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Explore page if you are a new user. For invested users, you will be taken to the Dashboard page. The Dashboard page gives you a quick overview of your portfolio. We will come to the Dashboard page later on this video. Now, let's get started by finding the right small case for you. Choosing the right investment is important to meet your long-term financial goals. Click on Find Your Small Case to get started. Find Your Small Case helps you finding the right small case by using the core satellite investment approach. You can build a strong core for your portfolio and then work your way through depending upon your risk appetite. If you want to further narrow down your search, click on All Small Cases tab. You can make use of smart filters and sort out the small cases on basis of popularity or returns over the past 1 month. You can also search small cases by minimum investment amount. The small case discovery page gives you an overview of each small case. Here is an exciting small case with a low volatile portfolio. Let's explore it in detail. Small case profile page. To help you make an investment decision, each small case contains detailed information from the research team. You can see the index value and also the compounded annual growth rate at a glance. Furthermore, you can see reasons why you should invest in this small case and also understand the methodology behind the small case that was created. You can see the past performance of this small case and compare it with benchmark index such as Nifty. Each small case comprises of stocks and ETFs that are intelligently weighted. You can see these stocks and weights and even customize this small case if you may wish to. If you want more details on a particular stock, you can click on the stock name and see individual stock related information. You can see news related to the stocks in this small case and make your decision without the need to leave the Trustline Securities platform. Now that you've decided to invest in this small case, click on the Buy button. Specify the amount you'd like to invest in and you can confirm the amount. You can also set up an SIP while placing the order. Once you set up an SIP, you will be notified on the next due date. You need to come on the platform and execute the SIP order. At any given point of time, you may edit your SIP amount, frequency or date. I will show you same from the investments page. Once you confirm the order, you can review your order and go ahead and click on Start Monthly SIP. Once you confirm the orders, your orders for all stocks in the small case will be placed in one go. It takes only a few seconds to fill your order. Congratulations, you've made your first investment in small case and also started an SIP. As you can see here, your next SIP due date is 10 July because you've set up a frequency of monthly. You can go and edit this SIP anytime. You can now track all your small cases in the investment section, which gives an overview of all your invested small cases. In just one glance, you can see the invested amount and the value of your returns. Clicking on a particular investment, you can see the detailed overview specific to the small case. Here you can choose to invest more or you can edit your SIP. When you click on Edit an SIP, you can change your SIP date, update the frequency, and increase the amount. In your investment sections, you will also see Portfolio Health. Portfolio Health is a tool based on the core satellite approach that analyzes your portfolio to determine whether it is at risk or not. Portfolio Health saves you the time and effort required to understand how to build and maintain a healthy portfolio. It reduces risk through proper diversification. Coming on to the dashboard section, it gives you a complete overview of your investment and watchlisted small cases. You can read news related to these small cases and take action from this page itself. Other things that you can do on this platform is you can add this small case to watch list. If you have an idea in mind, you can also go ahead and create your own small cases. If at any point of time you're stuck somewhere, you can take a look at our comprehensive help section, which would answer most of your questions. You can also reach out to our support team that will be happy to help your queries. Get started with investing in equities the smarter way with small cases through your Trustline Securities account.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.